Good morning everyone. Again I am here with a new video, and in this video we are going to learn how can we open Tinkercad in mobile. Okay, in previous video you have learned how can we open in laptop or PC. So before starting video I want to tell one more thing. If you are having PC or laptop, then prefer to use in that only, because using in mobile is not comfortable. Okay, you will face many difficulties while using in mobile due to small screen size. Okay, so let me learn how can we do. If you are not having PC or laptop, then we have to manage with mobile. So for that purpose I am going to explain. So many of the steps will be same. Like firstly you have to open Google, and in Chrome you have to use. It's better to use in Google Chrome browser. Okay, so when we will type Tinkercad, then click on search option, then this type of window will appear. Again you have to note one thing, tinkercad.com should be written here. Okay, so let me start. So here we have to click on this first icon. Maybe in your mobile it will come as a second or third, but you have to click on this link where tinkercad.com is written in URL. Okay, yes, I'm clicking here. Then it will navigate us to the next window, which is the window of Autodesk Tinkercad. Okay, so here we have to click on these three parallel lines on top right corner here, and we have to click on sign in here. Adjacent to the join now, sign in is there, we have to click here. As you will click on sign in, you will see this window is visible and it is showing the option to sign in with different ways. Okay, so the most appropriate way is sign in with Google. Okay, so we will click here. When you will click on sign in with Google, it will ask for the username and password if you have not added your ID and password. Otherwise your ID will be visible. Like in my device many IDs are added, so I have to select any one by which I want to sign in. So I am selecting here this one. It is selected. Maybe it will ask for the password from you if you are doing first time, and same type of screen will appear in mobile also, where you have to click on continue. After clicking on accept terms and condition checkbox. Okay, that will be available in that window only, and this is your main window of Tinkercad. Here you can create your design, here you can create your circuits, we can create our code blocks also. So how we can create this, how we can use it, this I am going to explain in next video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting updates about new technology. Not only Tinkercad, one by one we will cover some other technology also, which will help you out to resolve day-to-day problem. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so goodbye everyone, have a nice day.